Workers at the Department of Energy's Hanford site recently took a giant step forward as they removed the largest source of chromium contamination near the Columbia River at the Hanford site. Since December 2012, DOE contractor Washington Closure Hanford has removed 500,000 tons of contaminated soil from waste sites near the D and DR reactors.
Finding this source of contamination is actually saving us years and years of treating the groundwater with very expensive and elaborate and costly treatment systems that can go on for decades. And so this was the largest source of hexavalent chromium contamination on the Hanford Reach. It took several years to locate the source. We had worked closely with regulators and our contractors trying to pinpoint the mother lode of contamination that was contributing to our groundwater contamination in this area. And by addressing both of these sites, we were able to remove the mother lode successfully.
DOE believes the waste sites were the primary source of chromium groundwater contamination in the 100D area.
Hexavalent chromium was used to prevent corrosion inside the reactors. During nuclear reactor operations, millions of gallons of water had to be brought in from the Columbia River, and it had to be pre-treated with hexavalent chromium to inhibit corrosion inside the reactors.
Crews excavated and removed enough contaminated soil to create a hole covering the area of about 7.5 football fields at the ground surface and about 1 football field at the bottom. The next steps are to complete the analysis of samples to determine whether or not the work is completed. Then crews will need to backfill the site and revegetate the surface.